carbon should have carbon should have 4 bonds. So there is hydrogen, there is hydrogen, and there is hydrogen, and there is hydrogen, and there is hydrogen. So this is the structure of cyclic compound having 3 carbon. So if I'm going to write the formula of this cyclic structure or closed compound, you can see there is 3 carbon and 6 hydrogen. Each carbon has 2 hydrogen. So total, the formula will be basically C3H6, isn't it? The formula of this is C3H6.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to say, I want to ask you that if I'm going to write C2H4, and I will ask which type of hydrocarbon is this? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Please tell me from these three, which type of hydrocarbon is this? This C2H4. What do you think? Martin, Abdullah, any one of you can answer me right now.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is very low, very low, Martin.
We have to say if it's alkane, alkyne, or
Yes, I was asking Martin that with the formula this, what's in your mind comes, whether it is alkane, alkene, and alkyne. What do you think? Any one of you, Arshia?
Alkene.
Is it
ENE.
alkane or alkene?
ENE.
Alkene.
Alkene.
That's alkene. Alkene, it's right answer, because the general formula of alkene says that CnH2n. That means basically the number of hydrogen will be double the number of carbon. That's why it is C2H4. You can see carbon is 2 and hydrogen is 4. So if I'm going to write C3H6, what's in your mind? Whether it is alkane, alkene, or alkyne? Can you tell me?
Alkyne.
Alkyne. What do you think?
alkane.
Alkyne has a general formula that is CnH2n minus 2. So if you are having 3 carbon, the number of hydrogen will be double the number of carbon minus 2. That means 3 carbon, double of that, 3 to the 6 minus 2, 4 hydrogen will be there in case of alkyne. And if you are going for alkane, that has a general formula CnH2n plus 2. That means the number of hydrogen will be double the number of carbon plus 2. That means if you have 3 carbon, double the number of 3, that is 6, plus 2, the number of hydrogen will be 8. Now come to this point. Alkene.
So it will be alkene, the ENE.
Alkene. Again alkene. It's an alkene, right?
Yes, sir.
Now come to this. Can you see the general formula? Sorry, the chemical formula of this structure, everyone? C3H6. C3H6. Can you tell me whether this compound is alkane, alkene, or alkyne? There is a very big concept, basically very a small concept, but question asked from this point, and please be focused. Can you tell me whether this compound is alkane, alkene, or alkyne? Martin, what do you think? If I have written this structure, complete structure formula, you can see the bond and everything. Can you tell me whether it is alkane, alkene, or alkyne?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me please, Abdullah.
It's alkane.
Yes, sir.
Alkane.
Alkane.
Alkane. What do you see? Alkane. So basically, how do you recognize it? The bond between carbon is single. That's why it is alkane. If it is double, alkene, triple, alkyne. That's good. So sometimes if you have given a question like this, wait a minute. Generally, what do I do if I will see C4H8? And if someone will ask me, which type of hydrocarbon is this? I will say it is an alkene. Why? Because the number of hydrogen is double the number of carbon. And it satisfies the general formula of alkene at CnH2, and that's why it is an alkene. But what my other mind says, it can be alkane also. It can be alkane also, but the condition is it should be, or it must be cyclic. It must be cyclic. You can see cyclic, that means carbon, 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 close compound, ring, ring. You can say ring. And there will be hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. And you can see this structure or this compound is satisfying this formula. And you can see the bond between carbon carbon is single, that's why it is alkane. Alkane. So how question formation takes place here? So examiner can be asked, examiner will ask from you that if there is a compound C5H10 and he will say write write wait a minute. Okay, write the name of compound or not name, because we haven't done IUPAC. Write the structure of an alkane with this compound, with this compound, with this formula. So basically, why examiner asks this question? Because when a student see it, basically watch it, C5H10, then there is a click in our mind that it's an alkene. But the question is, you have to write a structure which is an alkane. So what you need to do is just write a cyclic structure of this compound, this formula, and you will get an alkane. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So it's
sir.
it's very easy. You can see this is an alkene. First click in mind, it's an alkene. But if examiner will ask, write a structure of this compound which is alkane, so what you need to do is write the cyclic structure of this. So please write it and also do this question. I'm waiting. Are you done with this? Martin, Abdullah, Arshia.
That answer.
Okay. So, have you written the answer of this question? Write the structure of an alkene with this formula. Arshia, Abdullah, please do respond. There will be test also today. And everyone, I am requesting you to send the PDFs.
Should we send the answer?
Uh, are you talking about this question? The answer of this question that I have given right now?
Yeah.
No, no. I'm just going to write it and then just make it sure you have done it correctly. So this will be the structure of this alkene, and every carbon will have two hydrogen. And now you can see this C5H10 is satisfying. This structure is satisfying the formula C5H10, which is an alkane. Also, there is a very famous compound in organic chemistry you will learn in higher classes, benzene. And benzene has a structure C6H6. And you know how we do C, and there is C. Since we have six carbon, so we make hexagon, cyclohexagon. And the double bond is basically in alternate position, and each carbon has one hydrogen. Each carbon has one hydrogen. This is the structure of benzene, and I also taught you how to write the bond line structural formula. So if you are going to write a bond line structural formula for this compound, it's very easy. You don't need to show carbon and hydrogen. Except carbon and hydrogen, if there is another atom, element, or group, you have to show. So how I'm going to write the structure of this? So it's very simple. This is carbon 1, this is carbon 2, this is carbon 3, this is carbon 4, this is carbon 5, and this. This is the structure of this. It's so simple to write. So this bond line structural formula, if you are going to understand, it's very easy to write and understand. It saves time also. Now, if you have this benzene, so what you need to do, just do this, do this, do this. You can see six carbon. The vertex says it's carbon. And now you can see double bond at alternate positions. So what you need to do is double bond, double bond, double bond. You don't need to show carbon and hydrogen. If you have anything else other than carbon and hydrogen, you will show it. Is that clear? Please do write it.
Okay.
Please do write it. Are you done with this? Everyone done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write the structure of write the structure of an alkane with a chemical formula. With a chemical formula C6H2. Also, write the bond line structural formula. Bond line structural formula. In the next class, we are going for nomenclature. So before doing nomenclature, it's very important to clear all the basics, and then
Sir, can I go get my charger?
yes, you can. Please do this question, rest of you. Martin, are you done with this?
Almost.
Hamna? Abdullah, Arshia? It's very simple to write an alkane with this. What you need to do is just write the cyclic structure like this and just connect this bond. Now each carbon will be in need of two hydrogen. So like this, two hydrogen to this, two hydrogen to this, four hydrogen. Then this is six hydrogen, and this is eight
Yeah.
hydrogen, and then 10 hydrogen, and then 12 hydrogen. This is the chemical structure of this, and how we are going to write the bond line structural formula like this. Is that clear? Can I change the slide?
Yes.
Okay, now your test will start. So the first question, write the complete structure and bond line structural formula of follow. Also, write the number of sigma and pi bonds. Question number one has, we have ethane, then there will be pentane, then there will be hexane, and then there will be octane, and then there will be decane. Now the next question, define catenation. And question number three is, explain the versatile nature of carbon. Versatile nature of carbon. So this question is of 3 marks. This question is question number is of 2 marks, and this question is of 5 marks. So you are going to do it, make it a PDF, make a PDF and send it to your respective WhatsApp groups in which you are added in. I will be back in a minute. Please do it.
Sir, where are we supposed to submit?
Please send the PDF in your WhatsApp group, Learnivio's WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Sure. Okay. Martin, are you done with this?
I'm sending, sir.
Okay, please do it, everyone. Thank you so much. I will see you on Monday. Are you done with this?
Sir, I didn't write the question. It's fine, or should
Okay,
I
okay.
write it?
No, 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 no. It's okay.
Okay, sir, I'll send one.